If you are a Twitter addict, then you must know if it is down or not to not miss any update and to not confuse it with a technical glitch. Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials, and in this video I will talk about how to know if Twitter is down or it is just you who are having issues with Twitter. So without talking anymore, let's get started with the video. Alright, to know if Twitter is down and everyone is having issues with Twitter, so what you have to do is you have to check the server status, and for that you have to open a browser on your mobile device. So right now I'm going to use Google Chrome, and now here you have to type in the search bar Twitter server status. Now here you have to go to the first website that you see, that is Down Detector. And this website will let you know if every Twitter user is facing the same issue or it is just you who are going through that problem. Alright, so as you can see, currently user reports indicate no current problems at Twitter. So it means there is no issue with the server of Twitter and it is not down. The issue that you are facing with Twitter is due to some other reason. Alright, so that's how you can know if Twitter is down or not. And here is the graph that will show you Twitter outages reported in the last 24 hours. So you can go through this graph as well if you want. Now, if Twitter is not down and you still are facing some issues with the app, like it is crashing or you are not able to use it properly, so there are some things you can try. So first of all, the thing you should do is to make sure that the app you are using is up to date. For that you have to go to the Play Store of your mobile device, and now here you just have to search for the Twitter app. So as you can see right now I am not getting the update button. It means my app is already updated. But if you are seeing the update option, you should install it there and then, and after that you should try to log into Twitter again and see if that helps. Alright, so that's one thing you can do. And apart from that, what you can do is you can clear the cache of the Twitter app, and for that you have to go to the settings section of your mobile device. From here you have to look for the Twitter app, and once you open the Twitter app in the settings section, you have to go to its storage, where you will find the option to clear the data as well as to clear the cache. So you must clear the data of the Twitter app, and by doing that you can fix most of the issues with the app. Alright, and once you clear the data you will be required to log in again to the app, so make sure you remember the password before you clear your data. Alright, so yeah, that's another thing you can try. And apart from that, you can simply just uninstall the app from your mobile device, and then you can reinstall it again from the Play Store. And the last thing you can do is you can restart your device. You can make sure if it is connected to the internet or not. So that's all the things you can do to fix the issues with the Twitter app, and you can know if it is down or you are facing some other issues. That was all for this topic. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as we keep on posting informative videos every single day. You can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, where I post similar content. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.